Catching the shift: how to describe changes in others' personalities. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on describing people in English. Today, we're delving deeper into an interesting topic: describing changes in others' personalities. Changes are inevitable, and it's important to learn how to express these shifts in someone's behavior or personality traits. Let's get started. When we talk about changes in someone's personality, we're referring to shifts in their typical behavior, attitudes, or reactions. Maybe your quiet friend has become more talkative, or perhaps your optimistic colleague seems a little down lately. Recognizing these changes is the first step in describing them. The key is to be observant and note the differences in the person's usual behavior and the current one. Negative changes can be tricky to address, but it's essential to learn how to articulate these shifts. Phrases like, "He used to be very outgoing, but he's become rather withdrawn lately," or, "She doesn't seem as cheerful as she once was," are gentle ways of conveying these changes. Remember, the past tense, used to be, is very useful when describing changes from a previous state. On a brighter note, let's discuss how to describe positive changes. You might say, "She's really come out of her shell," if someone who was shy has become more outgoing. Or, "He's really grown into a confident leader," for someone who has developed leadership skills. Note that we often use the word "really" to emphasize the change. Not all changes are strictly positive or negative. For neutral changes, you could use phrases like, "It seems like he's more relaxed now, compared to how focused and intense he was before," or, "She appears to be less concerned about details these days." Here, we're highlighting a difference, but not necessarily judging it as good or bad. Describing changes in others' personalities can be a delicate task, but with the right phrases and a little practice, you can do it effectively and sensitively. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Don't forget, observing carefully and choosing your words wisely is the key to accurately describe these changes. Happy learning and keep practicing.